start. Nakapag-drills. So guys, yung kakampi ko ngayon ay si Coach Johnny. Si Coach Johnny, nung nag-start pa lang kami mag-pickleball, siya yung coach ni V. Kasi si V ay naglalaro din dati ng pickleball. Nung mga unang buwan namin, siya yung kasama namin sa Quantum. So, I'm so happy na ang kakampi ko ay kakilala ko, which is si Coach Johnny. So, Coach Johnny, coach na lang ng coach. Ikaw nang bahala sa akin. Hi ate, how are you?
I'm good.
Sino partner mo?
Si Dudut.
Naku, talo na kami dyan.
Kaya niya yan? Kaya nga, lalo na training nyo ah. Adik.
Para talaga dito sa araw na to.
Madayo pa.
Oo, para sa araw na to. Partner ko, si Coach John. Bubuhatin ako mamaya. Comedy talaga ito si Dodot eh. Nice!
Bon, paluwa mo! Paluwa mo si Dudut!
Bigyan niyo si Dudut.
Idol, paluwa mo si Dudut! Okay lang yan, kain ni Dudut yan.
Ang malakas nga.
Oo, okay lang yan kay Dudut. Lumalaro sa advance yan si Dudut. Yan, kay Dudut lang. Sayang. Tali si Dudut, nandiyan tali siya yan.
Nice one. Sige na, kayo na muna mauna. Papahinga muna ako dito. Titignan ko muna yung mga laro nyo. Johnny, let's go!
Sayang daw yung brakes mo. Bro, let's go, Zainab.
Nilalaro eh, no? Yeah! Let's go, Johnny! Let's go!
Very good. Where is good?
Galing pang talibagkan siya.
So we are at 0-0 with Johnny Ann and Pat serving the ball.
Whoa, easy peasy.
It's another Pantua overhead coming from Rick. We are now at 1-0.
That's just outside.
Okay, now at 2-1. Okay, with Carlene serving the ball.
Grabe yung reflexes ni Rick.
Rick, kasawa ko yun, Rick. Rick, kasawa ko yun eh. Dandaan na. Ay, Johnny oh.
Rick serving the ball. Let's see if maka-adjust si Johnny Ann at Pat sa kanilang strategy.
Okay, that was a nice placement by Johnny Ann for his overhead. Tayo ay nasa 2-3. Okay. Ooh, okay. 4-5 tayo. Oh! Another Pantua overhead coming from Johnny Ann. Let's see if they can keep it up. Good resets. Naabot, naabot. Oh!
Ganun lang, Rick. Ganun lang, Rick. All day, ganun lang.
Johnny Ann and Pat taking the lead.
Again, another good drop.
Okay, we are now at 8, so change court na dapat.
Evan won. Another good attempt for drop, but
Johnny Ann with his consistent overheads. We are now at 12-9 with Johnny and Pat leading. Good drive coming from Johnny, direct to Rick. We are now down to last 2 points.
Court 2, round 2, round 8.
Nasaan, Mami?
And the ball is out. Johnny Ann and Pat wins this match versus Rick and Carlene.
Panalo kami! Yay! My God, grabe ang lamig ng kamay ko. Para akong nasa ano. Ang init-iting na may pawis ko pero yung kamay ko sobrang lamig. Ben, panalo kayo? Hindi. Talo? Okay lang, sister. Yung pawis ko, tagaktak. Yung kamay ko sobrang lamig. Sa kaba. Thank you, Coach John, sa sagip sa akin. Ako na ulit.
birthday. Dito kayo dito.
And Pat versus Grisel and
Lagi yan.
Good.
Tatlong error ng
Kung ano yung ginawa nung una, yun lang ginawa. Paulit-ulit. Thank you. Di ba, sino kayo?
Jeff versus
Sorry.
Okay lang. Dito lang naman. Hindi naman sa...
Diba?
Anong pinaglalaban mo?
0-2-0.
Kami? 3-0. Makakalaban...
Ng ina.
Maano mo ba si Dudut? Makakalaban mo si Dudut?
Kahit ba tayong bracket?
Ay, wala. Magkaiba.
Mamaya pa, dito. Huwag nang...
Tita! Si Dudut yung anak nyo.
Oo nga.
Sinali ako dito. Pahingin na lang akong cash, tita, para hindi masakit. Pahingin na lang ng cash. Kaya nga eh, ano lang, ang tawag dito, Danyos lang.
Kay King na lang ako hingi.
Wala pang Danyos, sakit to. Papayamaray ko to. Ay, x-ray pala pa, x-ray.
Basta partner, always ready ka lang. Huwag ka mag-expect na
Always
hindi pupunta
ready.
sa'yo yung
Hindi na kailangan mag-ready.
Dapat isipin mo lagi sa'yo pupunta lang.
Yes, coach.
Tapos yung paddle mo,
Yes, coach. Rally point kasi to, so 3 service ko ang hindi pumasok. Nga.
Ganon talaga yan.
Kaya yung next ko, safe na. Nakita mo safe na yung ano ko.
Ganon talaga yan.
Natalo ko yung anak mo, tita. Talo ko.
Hindi lahat makukuha mo. Kahit magaling, hindi mo. Pero maganda ka pa rin.
Thank you, tita.
Yun lang ang the best.
Thank you, tita. Ikaw naman. Sige nga pa yung cash. Ay! Grabe yan! Ay, grabe! Ang galing ng daddy. Panalo. Muntik pang matalo. Appear naman! Huwag na, ayoko na. Magpatalo ka na lang mamaya.
wala pang appear.
Hindi ako nagugutom sa event na to Kaliwat kanan yung bigay ng pagkain sa akin. Food, food pa, dessert. Tsaka hindi ayoko rin masyado magpakabusog. Ben, huwag ka magpakabusog
So go check
Mahirap
out our
gumalaw na
website on Facebook PH.
Mamutla ako dito, di ako. Mahal na mahal kita. Can you have a kiss, please? I love you.
First ulap. First ulap.
Iwan.
Iwan.
Wow.
Do you want to ride a horse? You want?
What?
Yes?
Yes.
You want to ride a horse?
Yes.
Okay. We will ride the horse. Yay! Tigidig, 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 tigidig. Grabe mag-multitask ka habang naglalaro doon, habang may game, nag-aalaga ng anak. And I love it. I love taking care of you, Isla. Kahit nasaan si Mom. Yay! We're done! Good job! You're so brave, my love. Yay! Parang na-verti. Pwede tayo mag-take ng photo. Pwede ba? Time zone din. Oy! Parang na-vertigo ako dun. Are you happy? Did you enjoy riding the horse? Saan kami mag-ano? 2, 1, try. Walking. La 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 la.
Hindi ka lang lagi partner, agawin niya na lahat yan.
Okay.
Tapos ang palo niya, mga slice-slice.
Pag slice, gawin pag ang taas.
Ito, balik. Sa player game rin.
Ay, sorry. Game. Thank you. Panalo kami. Finals na.
Hindi namin una nabawian na kami.
Ha?
Dinaunahan nga kami 0.
Bakit kayo nagsik-zero? Sayang, dapat tayo maglalaban eh. Hayaan mo, igaganti kita.
Automatic ka na, no?
Oo.
Hindi, naglaro kami dito.
Automatic na yan po.
Opo, di ba?
Podium ka na automatic.
Let's go! Ayaw mo maintain!
Let's go.
Ilan mo na yan?
Alright, so it looks like the matches are going to start. Now, this is our finals. Johnny and Pat versus Ara and Bonds. Immediately, Bonds and Ara taking the first point. We are now at 1-0. And that drive was out. Grabe talaga, if you do a speed up sa kitchen, it's very unpredictable if it's going to go in or out. So 2-0 tayo. And that was definitely going out. However, Pat had her battle up. So 3-0 tie. Johnny Ann and Pat gets their first point. Ara unable to return that overhead backhand. Drive directed directly to Ara. He was not able to prepare for that. We are now at 2-3. 3-3. Bonds slipped just a bit getting the ball. We are tied at 4-4.
Oh! Just at the net.
Talagang kung nasa tournament ka partner, hindi ka pwedeng mapagod. You have to keep your composure eh. Currently we are at 6-5. Johnny Ann and Pat leading. That was a very good pointed drive down the middle.
And the crowd erupts with that drive. Good backspin return. Sadly, ang lakas pa rin talaga ng drive. Johnny Ann.
Tayo sa 14, kailangan makuha nila itong score.
Binawi ang ito. Thank you, Ate Claus.
Let's go!
I'm so happy! Another goal! Grabe, ang galing ni Coach. Ang lamig na kamay ko. Thank you, Coach. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Johnny.
Congrats po.
Thank you. Uy, thank you. Grabe yun. Grabe ka, on fire. Grabe, coach. Ang galing mo. Ikaw yun eh. Isla, panalo si Mami. Thank you. Yes, boy. Alright, champion! Bakit champion yun?
Second champion medal.
Another medal. Hindi na naman ako makakatulog nito. Panonoorin ko na naman yung mga dapat panoorin. Thank you, guys! Yes, pang Manila ako. Yung mga sa probinsya, huwag niyo muna ako aayain sa probinsya. Dito talaga yung tunay kong laban. Champion si Mommy! Look! Touch it, touch. It's a small paddle. I'll give it to Isla Boy! Let's go! I love you. Are you proud of Mama? Okay. I love you. Yee! Yee! Champion si Mami! Champion si Mami! Anong masasabi mo, Coach?
Sobrang nakaka-proud. Kahit saglit na yung drills natin.
Parang 1 hour lang yung dress natin.
Napakita mo pa rin.
Diba? Nakita mo nag-bounce ang girl.
Oo. Solid. Napakasipag.
So, thanks to my coach, Coach Billy. Ayan, kontakin niyo siya kung gusto niyo,
Oh, yeah.
kung gusto niyo maging champion. Thank you, Coach. You're the best. So, guys, grabe, champion. I dedicate this award to my kids, Olaf and Isla, and to my hubby. This is for you. Talagang inaipagtanggol kita sa iyong mga errors, sa iyong mga kamalian. And thank you guys for watching this vlog, and I hope na-enjoy yung vlog na to. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tara, pickleball!